Kipchirchir Arab Ruto.
Jopur ochele maluora mar Imbo mar piny Kenya koro nyalo buonjo bang' piny owacho yango ni e thuolo ma ok tin ne ndalo 20 ibiro gurnegi masinde rego ochele mantiere kod oteku mar rego mchele tans 4 bang' saa ka saa mabiro dino rode mag jo black ma osebedo ka chodho chendgi e nengo molwar kendo jimbo yuto margi kaluwore kod jatend migawo mar EAC Piny Malonza oyango ni masin ma kama ibiro sidha yanga kod tend piny Kenya William Ruto e thuolo ma ndalo 20 mabiro kopogre kod rego chele chendono bende geto mar chugo thuolo mar tije na jodak ahinya to rawere mawuok e alwora ma Kisumu.
This is a project that was started some time back, but was affected by the COVID 2019, and of course has not peaked until recently when we began the installation of the machine. This is a machine that is going to perform better than the older machine in terms of technology, in terms of performance. It's going to be milling 4.0 tons per hour. It has good efficiency in terms of performance, and we want to believe that in the next 20 days it will be fully installed and will be able to commission, of course, with the president. With this machine now, the farmers will be out of the challenges of milling or even selling their products at a very throwaway price because there's no milling around. So we want to believe that this is going to be one of the projects that is going to spur our economic pillars and our pillars and a better, of course, of value addition and the whole issue of spurring agriculture and food security in the area.